In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Airdna coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Airdna coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Deal Spot. So as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to use this 5% discount code right here, which is also the top code. So all you need to do is just select show promo code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can simply select and copy this one from right here. And you can use this promo code on your next purchase to get the 5% discount. Also, we have this website which is called Velicom. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. So for example, if you want to get, let's say this one with 20% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this red button where it says get code, and the promo code will show up right here. And you can simply select and copy this promo code, and you can use this one to get 20% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.